The current version of the World Wide Web or Web 2.0 is characterized by social media platforms which allow greater proliferation of user generated content. This is a far cry from Web 1.0, which has all static and non interactive, an entirely top down approach towards information dissemination. Right now, five big technical companies, namely Twitter, Facebook, now Meta, Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon, control how our data will be used and where it will be stored and processed. Their algorithms decide the information that we consume, which has left alarm bell ringing. Now, Web 3.0, which with its crypto, blockchain, and metaverse use cases, is being touted as a movement that will wrest back the control of the internet from the five big technical companies. Instead of our data residing with centralized organizations today, Web 3.0 would see it residing on blockchain networks and thus being owned by users themselves. It could be as simple as a user based in India and another based in the US having a business meeting inside a virtual reality metaverse such as Decentraland, which is built on the Ethereum blockchain. They could then complete their planned business deal using their crypto wallets linked to their metaverse account. And that's that Facebook realized that this is the future of the internet, hence it's rebranding to Meta. Such is the craze around metaverse that people and organizations are spending millions of dollars to buy land that only exists inside these virtual worlds. But it makes business sense because in a future when people are going to wear their VR headsets and meet inside these virtual worlds for social gatherings, music concerts, and art auctions, you need land here for advertising and events. However, as there are proponents, so there are skeptics as well. Twitter co-founder and former CEO Jackie Dorsey has denounced the much hyped decentralized future of Web 3.0. He recently tweeted, "You don't own Web 3.0, the VCs and their LPs do. It will never escape their incentives. It's ultimately a centralized entity with a different level. Know what you are getting into." Angel investor and former CTO at Coinbase, Balaji Srinivasan, replied, saying that Twitter's corporate and political incentives led to deplatforming and censorship, and that Web 3.0 could possibly be better. Jack replied, saying the Web 3.0 has the same corporate incentive but hides it under decentralization. While naysayers remains, the Web 3.0 opportunity in the India has already got venture capital firm excited. Early stage Indian VC firms Antler Indian has committed to invest in 25 to 30 startups in the blockchain and Web 3.0 space in the next 2 to 3 years. It plans to deploy $100 millions to $150 millions in over 100 Indian startups over the next 3 years, of which up to $50 millions in committed to the Web 3.0 space. The fund will make a minimum investment of $250,000 and will come in at a pre-product market fit stage. This represents a marked shift from the status quo where there hasn't been much early stage funding available for Indian crypto and blockchain startups. According to new research by the US India Strategy Partnership firm USISPF and digital currency exchange Crosstower, Web 3.0 can help India contribute an additional $1.1 trillion of economic growth to its GDP over the next 11 years. Digital assets like Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, Algorand, stablecoins, and other blockchains are the fuel of the future financial ecosystem and BEP 3.0. Whether India will be able to harness the potential of the BEP 3.0 early on will obviously depend on the regulatory approach we take cryptocurrencies. The answer of these questions will be found in the next year. Thank you दोस्तों.